Hello everyone, welcome to So Much to Learn. In this video we are going to learn about some of the multi-letter phonograms. First multi-letter phonogram is SH. Sound is sh, as in shoe. Sh, as in sheep. Sh, as in ship. The next multi-letter phonogram is two-letter O. O as in goat. O as in boat. The next multi-letter phonogram is two-letter W. W as in whisk. W as in whale. The next multi-letter phonogram is two-letter D, th, D, th, th, as in thunder, th, as in thumb, and D as in that. The next multi-letter phonogram is two-letter G, G, un, gun. The next G-I, guy. Next is three-letter Ch. Ch as in snatch. This is three-letter Ch. W-H, witch. The next multi-letter phonogram is two-letter N. N as in gnat. N as in gnat, and N as in gnaw. N as in gnaw. Next multi-letter phonogram is R. Two-letter R as in rap, R as in wrong. Next is R of her, R of first, of nurse, of nurse. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the video, do hit the like button, share with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.